Hey guys, I want to show this rubber to you guys. This is a very sticky rubber. We use it for the glue removing, special for iPhone X and the XS. So this is the size for X and the XS. So what do? You put this on the S1 light. This is the S1 light glass remover, and you turn temperature. You turn on to like 30 degrees. You put this the screen on this rubber and open the vacuum. So this one, it will hold the screen really good, very strong. You can see. We even can use the small tools to remove the glue. It's very strong. It can hold the screen really good. We use this because when we separated the touch film from the screen, we had some film. This is a film left on the screen. That's why we use this. Otherwise, if it is only glue, we just use glue remover and can remove by the finger very easy. But you can see this rubber is very good.